In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily copy the format of one cell and apply it to another cell without having to do anything crazy or trying to match it up or whatever. All you got to do is select the cell that you want. So this one, this is already in dollar format for the number, and all these other ones are not. It has this nice green background. The size is nice. I just like everything about it. So over here in the Home tab, if you click on Format Painter, I'm just going to click on that, right, with the cell that I want selected. And what it's going to do is essentially copy that format over to any of the other cells that I want. So bam, click on this one, and there we go. It actually works, right? It takes it right over to the next format. Now, if I want to, let's say, do multiple cells, all I have to do is hold down the left mouse button and just drag, right? Just select a drag, and bam, all of those are there. Now you see these hashtags right here that popped up. All you got to do is just double click right here in between your cells. So just make it a little bit wider. That was 1,000, so it had a little bit more space that it needed inside this column. So we just spread that out a little bit. Okay, and yeah, so that's how you easily copy format of any cell over to any other cell inside a Microsoft Excel. So hope this helped, and thank you for watching.